Today I'm going to be installing more fire alarm call points on my fire alarm system. Hope you enjoy. So the first step is to plan where I'm going to put these two pull stations. Now yes, they are just light switches. I do plan on painting them red though, so that might look cool. But I'm thinking I want one around here somewhere, right next to my bench, and then one here at the door. So we're going to be running conduit out the top, over, across, down, and then across and down again. So yeah, let's get started by figuring out where I'm going to put the T. So first we need to mount up all the pull stations and everything that doesn't move so that we can figure out the conduit runs. So I have this mounting block and this mounting block lined up, so this one is going to shoot straight up between the level and the plywood up into a T, and this one is just going to go straight up and across, join in there, and then go down into the top of the fire alarm system. So now I'm going to mount up the T using the laser and everything, get it all lined up, and then I'll start doing the conduit. Okay, so I have the first run of conduit up into the T and going down into here. So the next thing is to run the main one across and all the way over. So yeah. Okay, so I have the conduit run up, around, down, back up, and down into the boxes. So now I'm going to run the cable. Just going to be using 3-core XLR cable because it's not sending any voltage really, or current, and I have lots of it, so yeah. Alrighty, so the cable is all fished through the conduit. See, we have the 3 coming out there, one from there, one from down there, which you can't really see, but it comes up. So now, what I'm going to do, going to start by terminating these switches. Okay, so all closed up at the junction box, got all the switches on, closed up in the fire alarm panel, as you saw. If you turn this on, I will just silence it, so that's, oh, there we go, it went. Actually, I think that switch might be dodgy. Yeah, see, that went off straight away. So, no matter what you do with the switch now, it's just on because the latching relay circuit. So if we just put it in walk test, and this one, sweet. Hold on. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.